Good morning everybody from a lovely morning in Tenerife. This is just a update daily vlogs, what I'm not doing on YouTube, many of them, they're on TikTok, but I thought I'd do this one. It's this man's 75th birthday today. 75. You'll get older and older through the vlog. Anyway, we've got to do the unmasking tour at Universal Studios today, the 6-house tour. But before that, going across here to IHOP for breakfast. Now if you want to see an IHOP breakfast tour and review, go and check it out. I have that video out also, go and check that one out. But let's get this day started. We are off, as I say, for breakfast, back to the hotel, up to Universal to do the tour. We're also going to Jimmy Buffett's for his birthday dinner. That's pretty much all I can say this early on. But yeah, I thought I'd do a little catch up with you all today as well as a diary one, because some people like them things. There is a beautiful dockside, and there is the epic surfside in the resorts. Lovely morning as well. Cannot moan. Oh yes, it's time, people. On my brother's birthday, we had to do this today. Halloween Horror Nights, Unmasking the Horror tour. We are doing the 6-house tour. Halloween Horror Nights. We just have to walk down to where the Blue Man Group used to be to check in, and we get to check out 6 of the Horror Nights houses. No scare actors now, it's a separately paid event. You get to see all the details, you get some really cool photos in there, and I don't think it's that expensive. And there is the old ride, what I don't think will be around much longer, the Rip Ride Rocket. Anyway, we're going to walk into this and get ourselves checked in. Right, we're halfway through the 6-house tour, and it's awesome. I've got to tell you, 6-house Unmasking the Horror tour for Halloween Horror Nights. It's an extra charge, you do it through the daytime. 6 houses you go in to see from Halloween Horror Nights with a tour guide who shows you around, gives you details, you see it all. Certain sections you can't take photos, but most of it you can, so you get some really good photos. You learn so much. Is it worth the money? 100% do it. I think we might be doing this every year now. I think I might have an addiction for it. It's just, we've got to decide every year now, 3 house or 6 house, which one we want to do. So we're halfway through, we've got another 3 houses to do. Then we're off to Margaritaville. And like that, we're coming out of the 6-house tour. Very, very worth doing. I think I would do it every year. Come out the way, we went in, and here is a beautiful CityWalk on this quick catch-up vlog. We are going to go to Margaritaville very soon for his birthday meal, and then I'm going to wait for Simon and Julie to arrive with my rucksack. I've got lost. Now here we are. Here's a look of the inside of Margaritaville. Also looks like there is seating upstairs. It's nice there. I like the design of the bar as well. Me, as we slowly get to the end of this daily catch-up vlog, we're going to quickly check out the Dead Coconut Club. Now every year when I've been here, I've never gone into it. So we're just going to have a nice little look around, and what I'm going to do now is put some absolute rubbish music over, because I will get copyrights. It's not worth trying otherwise. Unfortunately, one floor was open. We've got a quick look in there. What did you think of it? Yeah, again, if I was going out partying, maybe. But I don't think I'd want to sit there for going horror nights personally. But it was okay. I'm getting a bit old though, aren't I? Miserable bastard I am. People who doesn't believe Rucksack is showing up, I have a delivery service all the way from Bolton.
No, I said from Gatwick.
Yeah, but you're from Bolton. Anyway, people, this is Simon, known from the After Dark podcast network now for Universal After Dark, but also known for the greatest podcast in history, Halloween horror event. Simon, thank you so much for saving me.
We've got badges, dude.
Badges, and I have stuff for you.
Julie as well.
There's Julie. There's stuff in there, Julie. You look so tired. Right, people, I'm going to stop recording these two because they've had a very long day of travel.
It makes you feel
Well, that's ending this daily catch-up vlog. We've just done 9 out of 10 houses at Halloween Horror Nights. We got in at 10:30. We're leaving at 1:20. I said I thought this year would be more quiet than last year. I honestly think it is. I don't think it's about timing at night. The weather's really nice tonight. There's no rain. It's just more quiet, and I've loved going through all the houses because quite a few of them, because you can slow down and they don't run you through so much, you can get all the jump scares and see everything properly. So I'm glad you caught up. My rucksack's back with me. 5 days without it, but it's here. As from tomorrow I can start using my gimbals and my mics and everything again. Thanks for watching this catch. I'll do another one soon. Watch all the review ones. Don't forget to do the competition in Travel Day. And as always, stay epic.
Subscribe to Phill G Travel.
There you go. Don't let a kid down. Do it.